Should be good now. Hey guys, it is 1 month before my second craft fair. At my last craft fair, I only had cards and art prints. I wanted to have a lower priced item to sell at this craft fair because I noticed that there were a lot of younger people who were really interested in my art and booth, but they don't have a ton of money because they don't have an income per se. So yeah, I wanted to offer some stickers. But the thing is, up until this point, I have been cutting out these stickers by hand, and finally, I have gotten a sticker cutting machine. And yeah, I decided to invest in one of those. And it's pretty cool. I finally figured out how to use it. And today, I thought I would show you how you can do it too.
So the first thing that you want to do is have your image ready. I have a drawing that I made in Procreate with the background erased, and I'm going to basically share this image with my computer via AirDrop because they're both Apple products, and with the background transparency toggled off. Next, you're going to open up the sticker file into Silhouette Studio, and then you are going to click on the page icon in the upper right hand side, and this is going to allow you to turn on the registration marks, which allows the machine to more accurately detect where those cut lines are going to end up. So that is pretty essential. Next, you're going to click on this like butterfly flower looking icon thing, and this is going to allow you to trace the image. So you're going to click select trace area, and then you're going to drag this gray box over the image, and then you're going to increase the threshold until the colors are fully detected, which is, as you can see, blocked in by yellow. Then you're going to click trace outer edge, and you should see a red outline forming around the shape. Now, I don't want my sticker to be cut that closely to the actual image. I want some white outline around it. So next you're going to click on that star icon, and this is the offset option, which allows you to take those lines that you just made and offset them by a little bit. You can adjust it however you like. And then I'm going to delete these extra little circle things and then see how it looks. And I noticed that there's some extra weird outline, and that kind of happens when my image is a bit more on the pastel side, but I do have a hack for this, so let me show you what to do if this doesn't work for you. So you're going to open up your image, and you are going to basically color in and draw in a white background around the size that you want the sticker to be cut out in, and then you're going to I did this behind my drawing layer, so I'm going to merge those two layers together, and then I'm going to set the layer to alpha lock, and then I'm going to fill the layer with any color. I just chose an obnoxiously lime green this time. Now that you have this image colored in green, you'll notice it's a lot easier for the program to detect the color, and you'll get a much cleaner outline from it. And so usually I will just press trace and that'll be enough. This time I think I didn't give myself enough leeway, so I'm actually going to offset it a little bit more, but now I'm pretty happy with it. And I'm going to make it smaller, and I noticed that I accidentally also selected the image, which formed the rectangle, but you can just delete that. I resized it to approximately 3 inches in width. You can do that in the top bar where it says W and H. And now I'm just copying and pasting the image and trying to fit as many as I can, being careful to avoid exceeding the margin guidelines and also the little gray box things for the registration marks. I noticed that I have some extra paper that is not being used, and because of that I can't help myself, so I'm going to, and I don't like to waste, so I am going to paste some of my logos and just have some little extra logo stickers. And now we are ready to print. I'm using this inkjet vinyl mat. Not sure if I love it. I might have preferred that I chose glossy, but this is what I'm going to be using. So now we're going to send our sticker paper through the machine to get it cut. Press send in the upper right hand corner and I'll show you this screen. You need to change the settings depending on your paper, and this might require some experimentation. For me, I'm going to be using blade 3, force 20, and a speed of 4. Okay, here I have my machine plugged in. I'm going to turn it on, and then I've already synced it with the Bluetooth, so I don't need to press the button again, but you might need to. And once the light is on, it has synced and it is ready to go. Okay, and I'm gonna press send. And it's gonna try to register.
Okay, so what you're going to have to do if it fails to register automatically is to register manually. And sometimes this will work just fine by pressing those little arrows and lining up the blade to the black square. But sometimes you do this 10 times like I had to do just now, and it still doesn't work. But what I did try that did get it to work was if it's try playing around with where you are inserting the mat. So maybe like scooch it a little bit to the left or scooch it a little bit to the right. I ended up scooching mine a little bit to the right, and that seemed to do the trick. But yeah, sometimes it's a process. Another workaround is to not make the registration marks so close to the margins. Yeah, I did that because I don't want to waste paper. But if you want it, if you want the machine to read the registration marks a little bit easier, set like bigger margins when you turn those settings on. Okay, hope that helped.
And now all that's left to do is to peel the stickers and enjoy them. Yay!
Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope that was helpful to you, and I will see you next time. Bye.